Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. I'm Justin. Today I'll be making jalapeno chicken salad, quite possibly the best chicken salad you've ever had. I'm going to challenge that, and I'm going to ask you guys to leave me a comment below. Let me know if you like this or not. I'm going to go ahead and grab the ingredients. I got them all prepared. We're going to have you eating your chicken salad in about 2 to 3 minutes. But it is a little bit better if you put it in the refrigerator and let it sit in there for a couple hours and let those flavors kind of blend in and get everything mixed together well. But you can eat it immediately when we're finished. So here we go. Let's go grab the ingredients and get started. Okay, now that we have everything prepared, let me go over what we're going to need in here. And I got a secret ingredient. We'll add that here in just a little bit. So I'm not going to show you what's in the back here. So we're going to need shredded chicken, onions, of course jalapeno, dill relish. Don't get sweet relish, get dill relish. Celery, red bell peppers, and you're going to need McCormick mayonnaise. Make sure you get this one. This is the one you want. This is much better than even Hellmann's, and I really like Hellmann's, but for this recipe, make sure to get the McCormick. You're going to have dill and black pepper. Right here's my secret ingredient. Now, we're going to put this in the bowl, and I'll go over exactly how much of each one of these you're going to need. And if I happen to miss that, go ahead and check out the links below. I'll have you a shopping list for everything that's here. So if you want to just go on Amazon and grab it and have it shipped to your house, you can do that as well. I'll leave links to everything that I always use in my kitchen. I'll have those below too. So if you want, say if you want this stainless steel bowl, you're going to be able to grab that in the links below. If you want this glass set, grab it in the link below. All right, so let's get started. Show you exactly the amount that you need of each one of these. Let's start by adding 50 ounces of shredded chicken breast. You can cook this yourself, or you can get a one large can, 50 ounces, 3 pounds and 2 ounces, I think. And you want to get all the juice that you can out of it. Next, let's add the mayo. You remember, it's got to be McCormick mayonnaise. I know you might be saying that's no big deal, but trust me, that is definitely a big deal. Next, we're going to add our onions. This is 30 grams diced up finely. Everything's diced up finely. Put in our dill. This is 100 grams of dill. You can, I'll put a link below for the actual dill that I used here, but you buy this out of the can. You can get it at any big box store or off Amazon. Next, we'll add 50 grams of red bell peppers, and that helps give it a little bit of sweet taste to it, and it gives a little bit of coloring. Celery, and this is going to be 30 grams of finely diced celery. All right, here we have jalapenos that I had sliced to put them in here. We're not going to use these slices, because that's our topping for when we go to plate it. So we're going to set these to the side, and we're only going to use this right here. This is 80 grams of finely diced jalapenos, fresh jalapeno. You could probably use this out of a jar, but you're going to want to dice them up finely. Now we're going to add in some spices here. We're going to add in 1 teaspoon of dill seasoning. So they call that dill weed. You can buy that. I'll put a link below for that as well. Ground black pepper. And our secret ingredient for this is 1/2 of a freshly squeezed lemon. You want to put the juice in there. That's super important. Now that we have all of our ingredients in the bowl, let's use a bigger spatula. And all you're going to do is mix this up until everything is well incorporated. So you're just going to mix, 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 and mix, mix, mix more. And like I said, this is best if you let this chicken salad set for about an hour or 2 in the refrigerator. This is keto friendly, so anybody trying to avoid carbs, this is going to be really good for you. Okay, now that I got it all mixed, we're gonna grab us let's grab one of these babies right here, and let's move it over to a glass container while we're making a mess, but that's okay. Kind of give you an idea how much we're making here. There you have it. That's what your chicken salad should look like. All right, remember those jalapenos I set to the side earlier? Now we'll just kind of add a couple around just for a little extra heat. These have the seed in them. Those other ones didn't have the seed. There you go. I'm sure you're gonna love this chicken salad. If you like jalapenos and you like chicken salad, you gotta try this one. This is something I guarantee you probably haven't had before, so give it a shot. Leave me a comment below. If you like it, give me a big thumbs up on the video. I'll see you in the next one. Nothing goes to waste. Rain alert.